I got a video I can make, and man, it will definitely get attention, get comments if found and watched. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm shooting with, as you see below, is an Insta360 Pro 2. Yeah, I edit my video with Wondershare Filmora 15 Lifetime Perpetual. I was trying to do a video with the Insta360. No, it was the DJI Pocket 2. But I was shooting with the Osmo Action 5 Pro. Setting all these cameras up and putting into the editor used to be fun for me. Turn around for you. Here's one car blocking the sidewalk and the other one doing the same. Not on the sidewalk, but the crosswalk is being blocked. And that's how we park. When I take my Action 5 Pro out, I got my metal little magnet right there for you. The Ace Pro underneath doesn't have a strong magnet like the Action 5 Pro. I put out stuff all gone by one or two people. I may do the same thing. Good karma. That's what I did with the big stuff. The little stuff may be a little different. I'm gonna head on in and do my highlight of the talk. And I'm not even sure what I'm gonna talk about. I do the right thing as well as others. And here we got a whole bunch of stuff for little kiddies. All I hear it's like an air conditioner, so loud, and that's probably the parkway. I thought maybe it would be the train station, but it's constant go, and that just tells you what I hear. So yeah, I got my sim game going, but I reset the wheel again because we're having family fun. Finally, I'm gonna do it over again, see how I can go about setting it up, saving that particular profile. Now, the profile's not hard to do in ATS, but I thought maybe all these inputs over here, I didn't need profile. I guess I'm still waiting for F8.6, didn't come out yet, as well as F8.5 didn't drop down. Oh wow, look at all that steam come off the sanitation. Sometimes my high five doesn't work. Sanitation truck starting today. I'm just about to get out off my high. Well, high five works with the glove, but doesn't stop. With a lot of time for me to take it off. Now, I think I'm gonna walk back the way I came in. I'm gonna walk out the way I walk here, the opposite way, and a little further. I had my walk, my share, my talk, my ride, my no ride, Fish. I gotta go meet up with Joe. Joe's gotta work with me today. And yeah, the Bizwax, I'm not sure I'm doing it right. Nothing's here. In the park, we got some joggers. They're going around the track. That's the wee hours of the morning, as you can see. So let's get on going, get on what I need to do. And I got two good things coming, and I'm going to be sharing. Well, I am Fish. Time for me to get on going, get on doing.